welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know. So in this video I've already done my brows and concealed my eyelids and carved out the tops and bottoms, so we're straight away going in with the eyeliner. I'm just doing a really casual perfect wing with my Maybelline Master Precise Liner in black. And we're just going to try to get both eyes to match as well as we can. So that's the eyeliner done, nice and quick. Now it is time to start off the eyeshadow look, and we are using the MUA Burning Embers palette and the colour Blush. We're basically putting this in our entire crease and lifting it up a little at the end and making it a little bit more blended out at the end. Doing the exact same to the other eye with the same amount of product, so it's the same amount of pigment. Now going in with my Kylie Jenner the Bronze palette. And the colour we're going to use, I couldn't choose. It's going to be this nice chocolate brown colour at the bottom corner here. And that is going above the work we just did, blending it all together neatly. And now we're going in with the colour Bronzed from the Kylie palette, which is a dark chocolate brown, and that's going at the very end, joining up to the eyeliner. We are now doing a half cut crease with your favourite concealer there is, and a nice thin brush for easy control. And we're just basically filling all that in that little area so it looks nice and sleek for what we're about to do with this look. Doing the exact same to the other eye, making sure it ends at the same area, etc. You don't want uneven eyeshadow on your eyes, guys. It doesn't look good. Here's a little tip. Instead of using a beauty blender, which is very hard on a small area of your eye, just dab it with the brush and it will set itself. Sharpening up the edges with a face wipe. Now I did my face makeup off camera, so we're just going to curl my lashes now. And honestly guys, mascara completes this look so well. But first, before mascara, we're going to take blush again and put it under our bottom lashes just to complete the eyeshadow look we're going for. Going in with mascara, I use the 17 Backlash mascara. Now it's time for that glow. We are using the Revolution Ultra Pro Glow, and we're going to use this nice sunset tannish colour and putting it on the high points of our face, as you can see. We are taking the new Revolution eye foils, and I'm using unicorn foil, and this is going in our inner corners of our eyes, and it looks so gorgeous because it's a holographic glow with a tint of purple in amongst the white. So just be careful whilst you're applying this, because it can get messy. Making sure those brows are looking fleeky. And that, guys, is the end of my video. If you'd like to give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys next week.